Okay, time to test the size of the boot. I haven't done this yet, but I've got to take these big boxes to the tip, so let's see what we can get in. Obviously with the 3 you're limited by the height. With the Y you've got a much easier or bigger clearance, like that hatchback position. But with the seats down, this is still pretty big. And you even see, oh, bloody kids. Okay, what was I saying? Oh yeah, you even see some people will camp in the car. So you can actually lay long ways in this position. I'm not sure whether that would be the most comfortable, but let's have a look. Okay, well I'm 169 centimeters, 5'7" or just under. And I could lay in this. Comfy mattress, I think you'd be fine. If you're 6 foot, you might struggle. Okay, so it all went in pretty easy. Obviously, if you could remove this like a hatchback, it would be much easier. That's what I had before with the Astra, but with the Astra, the Holden Astra I had, it was much shorter, so you didn't have this type of length. So this is way more space than I'm used to.
Supporting Food Bank this season. Feed the box with a can or two.
I got a fish tank and cardboard. Okay, so that was successful. The boot is plenty big enough for what I need it for. You are limited by the head space or the height, like I said earlier, if you've got anything that doesn't fit through that opening. Yeah, normal deal. Let me know if you have any questions regarding the Tesla. Let me know if you have any advice regarding the Tesla. And I'll speak to you guys in the next one.